All right, prime time. Here's the video to find our three winners from the golf box. There is a signed flag, a signed ball, and a signed scorecard. So top three will all win. We'll check the time May 18th at 9:54 p.m. We're going to go over to, we'll call it now, the raffle really, and live. And May 18th at 9:54 p.m. There's the list of our 30 entrants. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's in the top three spots will win whatever is open here tonight in just a few minutes. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Looking for the top three. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Looking for the top three. Here we go. It is Scott, Rich, and Brent. So you guys, Scott, you will win the flag. Rich, you will win the golf ball. Brent, you will win the scorecard. So we're going to open that baby in just a couple minutes here, and I will tag you guys. And that's it. We'll see you in just a couple minutes.